Boost your efficiency instantly by mastering these must-know Excel tricks. Ctrl-C to copy selected cells or data. Ctrl-V to paste copied cells or data. Ctrl-X to cut selected cells or data. Ctrl-Z to undo the last action. Ctrl-Y to redo the last undone action. Ctrl-F to find specific data or text within a worksheet. Ctrl-H to replace specific data or text with new data or text. Ctrl-A to select all cells in a worksheet. Ctrl-B to bold selected text or cells. Ctrl-U to underline selected text or cells. Ctrl-I to italicize selected text or cells. Ctrl-K to insert a hyperlink. Ctrl-N to create a new workbook. Ctrl-O to open an existing workbook. Ctrl-S to save the current workbook. Ctrl-P to print the current workbook. Ctrl-W to close the current workbook. Ctrl-Tab to switch between open workbook. Ctrl-Shift-Tab to switch between open workbooks in reverse order. Ctrl-Shift-F to open the Find and Replace dialog box. Ctrl-Shift-P to insert a page break. Ctrl-Shift-Semicolon to enter the current time. Ctrl-Semicolon to enter the current date. Ctrl-Shift-Exclamation point to apply the comma style to selected cells. Ctrl-Shift-Hashtag to apply the date format to selected cells. Ctrl-Shift-Dollar to apply the currency format to selected cells. Ctrl-Shift-Percentage to apply the percentage format to selected cells. Ctrl-Shift-And to apply the outline border to selected cells. Ctrl-Shift-Underscore to remove the outline border from selected cells. Ctrl-1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Ctrl-2 to apply or remove bold formatting. Ctrl-3 to apply or remove italic formatting. Ctrl-4 to apply or remove underline formatting. Ctrl-5 to apply or remove strike-through formatting. Ctrl-6 to show or hide objects in a worksheet. Ctrl-7 to show or hide the standard toolbar. Ctrl-8 to show or hide the outline symbols. Ctrl-9 to hide selected rows. Ctrl-Shift-9 to unhide selected rows. Ctrl-0 to hide selected columns.